Have you heard about the impeachment of Sara Duterte? So it's already dismissed, guys. I talked with Midnight 123, my American friend, in TikTok Live. After I reconcile with Teacher May Tiburcio, I say to Midnight 123, if you have a Facebook, you message Teacher May Tiburcio that Sara Duterte, the impeachment cases against her was already dismissed. Oh, so what's a reaction of Wawel Romero, Paulo Cruzada, Jordan Bunagan, Nino Barsaga, Jam Magno, and Sangkay Janjan? They will have a comment against Sara Duterte because Sara Duterte's impeachment was already dismissed. However, I chat Johannes Angelo Mulanan Impact. We discussed about current events, about the impeachment against Sara Duterte. Sara Duterte has lots of explanation because, for example, what she said in Tagalog words, pag namatay ako, if there is if there's a contractor will assassinate me, or pag she said before, for example, in Tagalog, pag namatay ako, patayin si Bongbong Marcos, patayin si Lisa Marcos, patayin si Martin Romualdez, si House Speaker. And Sara Duterte says, if I got assassinated by contractor, the hitman will assassinate Bongbong Marcos, Martin Romualdez, and Lisa Marcos. So that was explanation of Sara Duterte. Why those tindig Pilipinas want to impeach Sara Duterte? As usual, millions of Filipinos who were supporting for Sara Duterte, including Midnight 123, my American friend, who was a Trump supporter and Duterte supporter. There's Atelot, Mang Mani, even Teacher Gio Balana, Teacher Vincent Ramos, Teacher May Tiburcio, Lawrence Villawan, Paula Nunez. They support for Sara Duterte. Even my TikTok followers who were pro Duterte. I have a Palestinian friends in TikTok Live. Even my Filipino friends who were Duterte supporters, even my fellow kababayan Filipinos, even my Russian friends, even Iranian friends, even Syrian friends, even Malaysians and Indonesian friends in TikTok Live, they already know about the situation of Sara Duterte. We support Sara Duterte because, Sara Duterte is going to dismiss the impeachment cases. Because at her brother, Representative Pulong Duterte says, they already dismissed. I know Teacher Evelyn Caja was supporter of Rodrigo Duterte and Sara Duterte, and she support for Palestine. I am sorry, guys, when I accuse Teacher Evelyn Caja, when I call in the telephone in PCMC National Director's Office. But I will never accuse Teacher Evelyn because she's old. She's retired a principal in CDIFI. But I know Teacher Evelyn Caja was a supporter of Palestine or supporter of Rodrigo Duterte, and she's a pro-Jesus and pro-Lord Jesus, and who is a Palestinian. I know she's a pro-Jesus, Teacher Evelyn. So Teacher Evelyn Caja was a supporter of Sara Duterte, just like Teacher May Tiburcio. Because the tindig Pilipinas want to impeach Sara Duterte, it's already dismissed. Give me a break. Paulo Cruzada, Nino Barsaga, Paulo Cruzada, Nino Barsaga, Jordan Bunagan, Teacher Alexandria Pagkalinawan, Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Jeffrey Beltran, and even those tindig Pilipinas, all of them were assholes. That's enough about protesting. That's enough about insisting of impeachment against Sara Duterte. Tama na po. Cheese Escudero is already dismissed. It's in 20th Congress. It's already dismissed the impeachment of Sara Duterte. Look at Joel Villanueva, Robin Padilla, among of senators, Bato, De La Rosa, Bongo, Jinggoy Estrada, Rafi Tulfo, Cynthia Villar, Amy Marcos, and including Bong Revilla, and another one is the senators is the 5 senators, all of them are senators, even Cheese Escudero, Miguel Zubiri, Mark Villar, Cynthia Villar. They already they already dismissed the impeachment against Sara Duterte. So they already dismissed, and among them who were 5 is Grace Poe, Sherwin Gatchalian, Rizon Tiveros, Coco Pimentel, and including Sherwin Gatchalian and Grace Poe. They want to insist to impeach Sara Duterte. And that's nothing happened. They choose the vote. If I were say to you, Tindig Pilipinas, Laila de Lima, Chel Jokno, can't you just give me a fucking break? It's already dismissed the cases against Sara Duterte. The impeachment against Sara Duterte is already dismissed. It dismissed already. Have you never, both of you, listened to Teacher May Tiburcio, Midnight 123, My American Friend, who were pro-Duterte, even Ate Lot, Mang Manny, they are pro-Duterte. I know Lawrence Villawan, he voted Sara Duterte, even Paula Nunez, even Teacher May Tiburcio. And I say to them, even Midnight 123, My American Friend, even Ate Lot, I will be their representative. If I will be a voter register soon in 2027, me and my mom, we will go to Comelec. My mom already told to by Capitana, I will vote for Sara Duterte. Just wait for 2028.